Hey everybody, good morning to you and welcome to my new video. This morning I'd like to play another standard for you. This is by Nat King Cole. It's called Nature Boy. There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. Say he traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. Then one day, a magic day passed my way. Though we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this is said to me: the greatest thing you ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They say he traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eye, but very wise wasn't he. Well, then one day, a magic day passed my way. And though we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Thank you for listening, folks. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you next time.